How to find all your saved passwords on your iPhone. There are actually two different spots where your saved passwords might be, and we're going to check both. First, swipe over to your app library and tap on the search bar at the top. Type in passwords and open the app that shows up. This app used to be found in Settings, but now it's a standalone passwords app right on your iPhone. Once you're inside, tap all at the top left and you'll see a list of saved accounts. Pick any one of them to view the username, which is usually your email, and tap to reveal the password. That's the first place to check. Now for the second method, open Safari or Google Chrome. Either one works. Go to google.com and tap on your profile icon at the top. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that you want to check passwords for. Now tap on Manage Your Account. Once you're in, swipe along the top bar until you find and tap on Security. Scroll down until you see the option called Password Manager and tap on Manage Passwords. Here you'll find a different set of saved passwords depending on your Google settings. Tap any one to view the saved login and password for that site. So with these two places, the Passwords app and Google Password Manager, you'll be able to find everything you've saved.